So hi students, today we are going to learn about a division of fractions. So division of whole number by a fraction. So first we learn to the symbolic representation. So 1 divided by half. I have taken a one full circle. I am dividing into the half parts. Right? So how many half parts are there? There is a 2 parts, right? Yes. So next 3 divided by 1 by 4. I have taken a 3 full circle and each circle I am dividing into the 1 by 4 part. This is the 1 by 4 part of each circle, right? So here is a 1 by 4, 1 by 4 parts. Here is a 4 1 by 4 parts. Here is a 4 1 by 4 parts. Totally how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the answer is the 12, right? Just you observe from the both the thing, it's like a multiplication of the denominator and the whole number, right? So 2 into 1 is a 2, right? And you can check here 4 3s are 12, right? So it has a beautiful pattern that by doing the reciprocal of this we will doing the multiplication. What do you mean by reciprocal? So reciprocal of a fraction is just interchanging the numerator and denominator of the fraction. You can see, just do the reciprocal of this 1 by 2. Reciprocal means interchanging numerator and the denominator of the fraction. So the 1 we are changing to 2 in by 1. So this 1 I written as the same, and this 1 by 2 I written as a reciprocal. Now if you see, if you multiple, you will getting the answer 2 by 1 is equal to 2. Will we get same for this? Let me check. So 3 1 by 4 will take a reciprocal, it will become a 4 by 1. Instead of dividing we can multiple. Check whether you will get the same answer. 4 3s are 12, 12 by 1. So here we obtain a beautiful pattern that we no need to divide the fraction exactly. Yes, we can convert this division into the multiplication by taking the fraction of the following fraction, right? So thus, to divide a whole number by any fraction, multiple the whole number by the reciprocal of that fraction. So this fraction is going to divide, right? So just take reciprocal of it. If it is mixed fraction, convert it to improper fraction and then solve it. As we did same for the multiplication of the fraction, we have to convert, then we have to divide. Clear? So here we go for the problem. You remember that just taking the reciprocal of this we can multiply it, right? So the 12 is going to divide with the 3 by 4. So we no need to divide, just we can multiple by reciprocal of it. Reciprocal of 3 by 4 is 4 by 3. Now just by multiplying we will get this. We can multiply by 12 into 4 by 3. 3 and 12 it can be the common factors. How much time? 3 is 1 time and 12 is for 4 times. So 4 ones are 4 divided by 1, so which is equal to 4. And 4 divided by 8 by 3, right? So the same, the 4 division can be changed to multiplication followed by the fraction changing to the reciprocal. It is a 3 by 8. So now you can multiply numerator and the denominator. 4 into 3 by 8, and 4 and 8 comes this factor 4 1 times this 2, and the 3 ones are 3 and divided by 2, which is simplified form. So let me stop here. Clear? We'll go for the next problem. Find the reciprocal of each of the following fractions. Classify the reciprocal as proper fraction, improper fractions and whole numbers, right? So first we have to find the reciprocal of the fraction. So what is the reciprocal of 3 by 7? The reciprocal is 7 by 3. So first we are finding the reciprocal, right? Then classify the reciprocal. So you have to classify the reciprocal as proper fraction or improper fraction or whole number. What is this? This is the improper fraction. The reciprocal is improper fraction, right? So next 9 by 7. What is the reciprocal of 9 by 7? The reciprocal is 7 by 9. Now you classify it as a proper or improper or whole. It's a proper, right? Because denominator is a greater and numerator is a smaller. So therefore the reciprocal is proper fraction. Clear? So next problem is 1 by 8. Here you will have a different things. Let's see. So what will be the reciprocal of 1 by 8? So reciprocal is 8 by 1, which is just we can represent it as a 8. Now you classify it. Is it a proper or improper or whole number? It's a whole number, right? Therefore it is whole number. Clear? Then we go for the next problem. Find 7 by 3 divided by 2. Right? The 2 is just now, because we now we can change this division into the multiplication, followed by changing the next fraction into the reciprocal. Whether the 2 is the fraction or a whole number. 2 is a whole number. Can we represent 2 in the fraction? Yes, 2 by 1. So any number we can represent in the fraction, right? See, 6 can be represented as a 6 by 1. 10 can be represented as a 10 by 1. 1 can be represented 1 by 1. So denominator just we can apply 1 and we can represent as a fraction. That's what the previous problem also we have seen. See, 8 by 1 is a fraction, but it is also a whole. Denominator will be the 1. So the 2, the same we can represent in the fraction as a 2 by 1. Now we can change this division into a multiplication followed by changing this fraction into the reciprocal. So it will become a 1 by 2, right? So just multiply the numerator and denominator. 7 1s are 7 and 3 2s are 6, and this is simplified form and it is the answer, right? Next 3 1 by 2 divided by 4. So it's a mixed. First we have to convert this to the improper, and the 4 also let me represent it in the fraction. So it is 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. So 7 by 2 divided by 4 is just nothing, 4 by 1. So this 7 by 2, let it be the same. This division will be changed to multiplication, and 4 by 1 will be represented as a 1 by 4. Clear? So now it's easy, right? Just multiplication, multiply the numerator and the denominator. 7 1s are 7 divided by 4 2s are 8. It's a simplified form, and this is the answer. So here we go for the next problem. 2 by 5 divided by 1 by 2. So 2 by 5 will remain same. Division will become multiplication, followed by the fraction will be the reciprocal. 1 by 2 is just nothing but reciprocal is 2 by 1. Multiply numerator and the denominator. So 2 2s are 4 and 5 times 1 is a 5. It is a simplified, and this is the answer. So here we go for the next problem. 2 by 5 divided by 1 1 by 2. Convert this mixed fraction into the improper. So 2 by 5 will be the same. First convert, then we can proceed to this division process. So this is nothing, denominator into the whole number. 2 into 1 is 2, and added with the numerator. 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, and it is a 3 by 2. Now we can change this division into the multiplication by 2 by 5 into this reciprocal. Reciprocal of 3 by 2 is 2 by 3. So now we can multiply the numerators and the denominators. Numerator 2 into 2 is a 4, and denominator 5 3s are 50, and is simplified. So that is the final answer. If it is not simplified, some common factors are there, then really you have to simplify it. Then that is considered as a final answer. Clear? Thank you.